on Chevy, Malibu, and Chevy Cruze. The problem with these cars doesn't want to start. Let me give you an easy solution. What I did, test it. You check all the fuels. This is a starter relay. I run a live current to it. It doesn't start. Go like this. This is the relay. And the starter keep on making noise. Listen. Hear that? So what I did is find the starter wire. These two wire, you're gonna run one wire to here and one wire here. I can't hold the phone on this stuff at the same time. Listen. Listen. Once you put it right there, hear that? Car will start, but make sure the ignition is on. Once the key is on, the car will start. Come on here. Because the car doesn't start. You go like this. Car won't start. You call the key guy. What always go bad is the module. This module right here. That's the module control everything. So this is what I do. And the car starts. That's the only way to test it first to know if that's the problem. Look. These two together. The yellow and green wire and the straight yellow wire. Those wires are the two thickest wire right here in the harness. I don't want my phone acting up. And I go like this. Here, the car starts when I put these two wires together. So make sure it's this wire in a wire harness. And wire my phone. This wire, this one, and this one. Connect one wire to here, and touch it on the live, and the car will start. Just for the relay, I was testing the relay. Put the wire inside right here in front of the relay to test it. Let's go. This is what I'm going to do. Shut the car back off. And car not starting. Still not starting. Watch this now. Show you all the bypass it. Gotta get a tester. This is my own homemade tester. I ground it right here. This is my tester. And this is what I do. Put the wire right here. Put the wire right here for the starter. Right here. That grounds wire. That brown and white. Just push this right on inside of it. And the car go like this.